Today we will discuss a mobile robot. This is end-effector frame. See, this is a wheeled robot, a body frame. This robot, we want to pick up this object. Object frame is E. This is the camera frame, say D, and this one is fixed frame, ground frame. Using this mobile wheeled robot, we want to pick up this object. So we require transformation of E in C frame, that is TCE. We require it. From the data, we have 4 matrices from data. Tdb, this one, Tde, this one, Tad, this one, and Tbc, this one. And we want to pick up this object, lie on the floor. And the object frame is E, and effector frame is C. So from these 4 matrices, we want to find TCE. Say here, this one. We are given Tdb, Tde, Tad and Tbc. These 4 matrices are given, and we want to find TCE. So TCE is what? We can write TCA into TAE. This matrix transforms E into A, and this matrix transforms A into C. So as a whole, it transforms E into C frame. So TCA, using these 4 matrices, we can find TAC. TAC. How? TAD, TDB and TBC. See, TAD, TDB, TBC. C to B, B to D, D to A. Those as a whole, inside the bracket is TAC. But we require TCA. So we will take inverse, TAC inverse. These 3 matrices are given. So TCA is nothing but TAC inverse. It is TAD, TDB, TBC inverse. And we require TAE from these 4 matrices. How? So TAE is what? TAD into TDE. TAD into TDE. This matrix transforms E into D, and this transforms D into A. So as a whole, product transforms E into A. So from given details, we can find TCE. The numerical values, this one, TAD, TDE. We require this, TAD, TDE. So if you these 2 are given, so multiplying this, we get this. Similarly, for TAD, TDB, TBC, inverse. Then after we will take inverse. From data, these 3 matrices are given. So if you multiply, we get this result. So inverse, we have proper mathematics. So we will get this. And then after, finally, TCE is evaluated to be this matrix. So come here, this. In order to calculate how to move the robot arm so as to pick up the object, the configuration of the relative to the robot hand, TCE must be determined. We know that TAB, TBC, TCE equal to TAD, TDE, where the only quantity beside TCE not given to us directly is TAB. However, since TAB equal to TAD, TDB, we can determine TCE is as follows. We have discussed already. TCE equal to TAD, TDB, TBC inverse, that is TAC inverse, that is TCA, into TAD, TDE, that is TAE. So this is TCA into TAE, so we get TCE. And the whole description, whole question I have given into description. The question details we have given in the description, so you can go through description.